That one's on. That one's on. I'm going to put the jumper back on.
Could you put the back panel back up?
Yeah. FYI, it's recorded it perfectly on that camera. Brilliant.
Oh, badass.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Right, sure enough, your bigger hammer.
Oh, no. Bad hits. No, good hits.
Yeah, I think yours is actually bigger, it's just this has a bit more weight.
Ryan!
Remember how we want to eat at like a normal time tonight, and it's already gone 6.
I mean, I eat 9.
I think it's bad.
Right.
Right, if I'd broken it, wouldn't have been my fault. I had to get it back to start.
Okay, just. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just giving me the eye, like, why? Why are you about to do this?
I feel like this is a comment on the build quality of Team Spin of Fifth Robots.
An eye for an eye.
I'm not in danger, I am the danger.
It is all danger.
Who's actually done damage to the other so far, you know?
Yeah, good hits is working far better than it was in International.
Yeah. We're jousting, boys. Oh no. I've high-centered myself on my own backside. Oh, it's just part of me now. Oh, right. Okay, should we run with that? Or...
Yeah, run with it. Yeah.
Hang on, I don't want to run with it from this angle.
Sure you want to win.
It's better than the pit. It's better than the pit. Because you're running so much faster, you basically just block me.
I feel as though Cato's running down on power.
It's not feeling the same as earlier, but it still runs, so... And it's braking just the same as earlier.
Just for context, I'm going to try and hit the pit, but... There we go.
Oh, the piston's down. Edge. Oh, that's a nice one.
Maybe I shouldn't have done
That was a less nice one. Nearly.
Unfortunately, how the sides work, my wheels aren't touching the ground right there.
Just way, my sights are constructed.
1 minute 19.
Oh, hello, what's happening there? Springs.
It's just like... Cato's gone, I give up.
The thing is, you can't really hit me anywhere that matters
Can
anymore.
Cato get high center on his own wedge? That's the question.
I mean, it would be realistic if it did.
What is going
I'm
on
okay with it.
What is going on with that top panel, by the way, over there?
Well, I didn't get my sense of my own wedge there.
Joe, can you turn off the spikes? They're just kind of doing their own thing right now.
Fine.
Fine. There's only poltergeist in the arena.
What, poltergeist in the arena?
No.
No. 25 seconds, David.
I mean, if you want to make a run for it.
It was worth the go. It was worth the go. Oh, crap, it's points for judges, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn it!
And this...
I forgot that was how it worked.
And this group has just leveled up.
Yeah.
Three,
Yeah, that's why I did it.
Three.